Conflict happens, and that's okay. How you navigate and solve people challenges is what shapes you as a leader. Sometimes when you're responsible for people, you're going to have to deal with tricky situations. You might have to give challenging feedback, step into conflict resolution, and even let people go from your business. I'm Rana Saleh from HR at CommBank, and in this video, I'm going to give you some hints and tips for resolving people challenges before they spiral, causing you sleepless nights and negatively impacting the culture of your business and the well-being of those involved. Understanding common tension triggers in a small team is a good place to start. Usually, flare-ups are caused by miscommunication, unclear roles, or uneven workflows. When people aren't sure of what's expected of them, frustration builds. Regular check-ins, clear job descriptions, and open communication help prevent most issues before they start. Say you're starting to notice tension in your team. What then? The key is to address it early, before it becomes a bigger issue. Stay calm, focus on the facts, and be clear about what you've noticed. Approach it as a conversation, not a confrontation. Most issues can be resolved just by listening and finding common ground. These conversations don't have to feel awkward or difficult, especially when they come from a place of genuine care. Before you catch up with your team member, plan what you're going to say. When you meet, focus on the issue, not the person. Use calm, respectful language like "I've noticed a few challenges," and then give concrete examples. Listen carefully and try to agree on a way forward. Following up afterward, even with a short note, shows that you care. The step that a lot of people miss is documenting these interactions. It is important for clarity and fairness for your employee. A quick note on what was discussed and what was agreed helps avoid misunderstandings later. It also keeps things consistent and professional if the issue comes up, and is crucial if you ever need to support a decision to let someone go. Quick tip. You know the old saying, prevention is the best medicine? That's true here too. Set up a simple rhythm for your regular, open conversations with your team. A quick 5-minute check-in once a week can surface small issues before they grow. Try this one thing today. Create a simple plan for handling challenges in your business. Who to talk to and get the right information. What to document and how to follow up. When you know what to do, you'll approach these challenges with care, calm, and confidence. To keep learning and growing, search CommBank Business Masterclass.